So Tom Brady was a pretty big investor in FTX initially a few years ago, and he kind of lended his name and image to that to promote it. Obviously, it was his own personal investment, so he'd want it to do well. Between him and his wife, I think they had close to $70 million invested in it, and it looks like a majority of that is either gone or just going to be held up for years while this thing goes to court. I know that the Security and Exchange Commissions is looking pretty hard at it, and it could be devastating for people who have money in that crypto that are not going to be able to get it out. Plus, there's a lot of other cryptocurrencies that they trade that are maybe not as well known, some of these lesser known altcoins. So all of those trades are being impacted as well.